talk about types of hackers. There are three main types of hackers. Those are white hat hacker, black hat hacker, and gray hat hacker. So let's talk about this white hat hacker. These white hat hackers focuses on security and finding vulnerabilities of an organization or a network. So these white hat hackers are responsible for defending side. They find the vulnerabilities and report to an organization or to an administration. And black hat hacker focuses on finding vulnerabilities and exploit them, and finally they tend to do damage to an organization. So these guys will find the vulnerabilities on the system or a network and exploit them, and they finally do some damage to the organization. So these guys take an advantage of an vulnerability and they will exploit them. So you do not need to be black hat hacker, just you need to find the vulnerabilities and you need to report them just like a good guys. And these white hat hackers does not take an advantage of an vulnerability, and they just simply report to an organization. And the third category is grey hat hacker. These grey hat hackers work sometimes as a white hat and black hat according to situation. Suppose if they are working for a company, they will act as a white hat, but they want to do the damage to the black hat, they will act as a black hat. So it depends upon the situation.